super fast video. We're gonna make a DIY home air filter. Really easy. I'm using 4 20 by 20 by 1 air filters with a rating of MERV 13 and a box fan. This is a Lasco, a large piece of cardboard, tape, a knife, and/or scissors. That's it. Okay, so all we're gonna do is we're gonna take our 4 filters and we're gonna build a box, just 4 sides standing up like this. So you need to look at which way the air flows through the filter. So there's an arrow on the filter, and you want all of the arrows pointing towards the inside of the box. We're gonna suck the air into the cube. So the first step here is we're just gonna tape all of these filters together. We're gonna butt them up and tape them together like so. And that's the first step. Alright, so this box is going to sit on the floor, and so we're going to make a base. So all we're going to do is use the box that the box fan came in. We're going to lay it out like this. We're going to put this on top, and we're going to trace around it. Now I've got a little, like a handle pop out, whatever you want to call it, on this cardboard. I'm going to tape that. So I've got a little overhang, so I'm just going to take some scissors and cut the excess off. I'm going to line it up on 2 sides. Alright, now tape the seams. Okay, now you've got everything taped together and you have a bottom, so you're going to put the fan right on top. So you have to make sure that the fan is blowing out. So on this Lasco fan, this Lasco badge is where the air is being blown out. The back just has like the back of the fan motor. Okay, so you put the fan on top, you make sure your cord is out of the box. Some people cut a piece of cardboard to cover up these holes. I'm just gonna tape the holes. Alright, so that's it for the build. I'm not going to do a shroud. I'm just going to leave it open, whatever. It's on the ground, and just kind of plug it in every morning. And this is it's just for the garage / basement. Just going to run it every day. Really easy to build. Thanks for watching.